So recently Morphe launched this palette along with another one, and I will be doing a video on that one too. But this one is the 35V Stunning Vibes palette. This is so gorgeous. I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids using the NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer, and this is what it looks like. I'm using the shade Me. Now I am going to take this brush. This is a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number or anything on it. It just says Morphe, and I'm going to blend that concealer out. Brush right here, and I'm going to start my makeup, and I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here, and that is called Wild Things. So I'm going to take this brush and blend out my edges. Using this brush right here, I'm going to take another shade and probably another brush, and I'm going to use this shade right here, and it is called Devoted. So now I'm going to use the other side of that brush because it's clean. I'm going to take this shade right here, and it is called Hit It Off. Going with this brush again and blend it. So I'm going back to that first brush, and I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Heat, and I just want to put this at the top, just for a little bit more red oranginess vibes. Oh, that's perfect. So now I'm going to take this flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pat that because I want to make sure it is as smooth as possible. So I'm going to use this shade and this shade, and one is called Stud and the other one is called like Badendrovous. I don't know, something like that is this one. So on this brush right here, I'm going to take this dark blue, navy bluish shade, and it's called Fling, and I'm going to put that a tiny bit above my cut crease. I'm going to take this brush, and this is like for smudging, and I'm going to basically smudge that. Use this same brush but on the other side, and I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to put that on the outside of my crease. And I think this blue might be a little bit darker. Now I'm going to take a break from my eyes and work on my base, and this is going to be exciting because I'm going to be using some new products. I'm going to use the Sonia Kashai Body Blender Sponge, and I got this from Target. I got this from Target for $9, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be using the same thing I always use, Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 355 Coconut. So I did dampen this. It's not that soft. Not soft at all. Like, it's working good, but it's just tough. So for my concealer, we are going to be using the Morphe Beauty Blend. For my contour, I'm going to use a brush, but for my highlight, I will blend it out with the Beauty Blender. So this is the Morphe sponge. It's really soft, and now I'm going to blend out my concealer, and I feel like this is probably softer than the Real Techniques. So for this is really soft. It's softer than the Real Techniques one. So I really love this one. I feel like I'm gonna lean towards this a little bit more now. Yeah, that looks really great. And so now it's time to set. So when it's time for me to set, I just use a dry Real Techniques beauty blender, and I go into shades that are closer to my skin tone because the powder that I use that is translucent is really flashbacky. So I just press this into my skin really well. I take a brush and I swirl it in all those shades, and I do my whole face. I'm going to blush my face. I like taking Rich Girl out of this Morphe 9C Jewel Crew palette and take it really lightly on my cheeks. Using this shade right here, it's called Crush. I'm going to smoke that out under my eye, under here, and I feel like that's gonna give it a really cute look. So I'm gonna use this brush right here and take this shade Ride or Die, and I'm gonna just put that on my eyelid because I just want a little bit more. Feel like this just needs something else, so I'm gonna take this shade right here, this purple shade. It's called Bad Boy, and just gonna, oh, okay, I need to stop underestimating this. And now I have two new highlighters. I have the ColourPop one in Whisk and Maybelline Master Chrome in 200. So these are the shades. This one at the top is ColourPop and the bottom is Maybelline. And now the ColourPop highlighter. Ooh. That is really pretty. These are like a great match. Went ahead and added some lashes. I feel like they really made this look really just more put together. So now I'm going to do my lip liner, Club Hopper by NYX, and the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. So this is it, but I'm not done. I want to set my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Whew, that smells so refreshing, so good.